Hey everybody, hope everyone is doing well. Jeff in Chicago on a 40-degree day. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. So I wanted to do one today. One, because I'm overdue, and two, I saw something in our trading community that was pretty amazing that I kind of wanted to share with anybody that's a trader, thinking about trading, already part of our team learning how to trade, who didn't catch this. Um, it's pretty amazing because let me get the particulars out of the way. If you like this video, thumbs up. Don't like it, thumbs down. Subscribe below if you're interested in joining our trading community. Reach me. A couple ways to reach me: Facebook, Gmail, all kinds of ways. Text my phone number, all good. So I saw this posted in our trading team group, and I'm like, I really did some reflecting and want to kind of educate those that are seeing this video, those that are on my part of the team, about how important it is to kind of manage your risk and not let your emotions get away from you. So let me move my face out of here. So somebody posted this in the group: avoid big losses. Here's why. What would it take to recover from a big loss? Okay. 10% requires an 11% gain to break even. 20% requires a 25% gain to break even. 50% loss requires a 100% gain to break even. And 90% loss requires a 900% gain to break even. And that's kind of amazing. For those that have had spent any time talking to me, I explained how I was in a very early in my trading career that I was in a US 30 trade and I was in profit significantly. And then I was feeling good about myself. I woke up to a big win. And then on the very next trade, my trade's in profit and I should have closed it as it reversed and I didn't. And I took my stop loss off and it literally for the next few hours decided just to reverse and actually blew my account. So everything that I won on the previous trade, I actually lost. And that's because my mindset got in the way, thinking I can win every trade, right? If you want to see inside of our community, we have an impulse scanner that takes away some of it's not even guesswork, but some of the analysis of trend, which is significant when you're trying to decide is a certain pair going up or down. All right. But even more important than that is to manage your risk, and that requires managing your emotions. Okay. I mean, this is why in our community we preach 1% on a trade, 2% max, and hold firm to that, right? Because just because you think you did an analysis, hey, this is definitely going in the other direction. I am going to take my stop loss off, or I'm going to move it farther down, etc. No matter how perfect the strategy is, sometimes the markets will do what it takes. And part of being a successful trader is managing this part of the equation. Okay. Now, we've been teaching trading for almost 7 years. I've been with the team 6 years. And we talk about this in mindset and emotions all the time. So, an analysis can be perfect and a trade can still lose. Now, we have obviously resources and an impulse scanner that's really helping folks really become successful traders using this tool, besides the fact that we have smart money. But minimizing your risk and not feeling like, oh, it's going to, I'll move it down to 20% loss because it's going to reverse, or 50%, half your account, because look how much work it takes to recover that. Now, I have seen that day in and day out with people inside of our trading community and outside of the trading community. The sooner you get this part of it, right, in your brain, that trade, I'm not going to move that stop loss. I'm only going to risk 1% or 2%. I'm going to trust the process, and that's it. The sooner you realize that, you have beaten half the battle of becoming a successful trader. The other, obviously, is mindset, the strategy, executing the strategy, etc. Have a trade plan, right? We have you journal the trades. on a demo account first before you go live. All those resources are available to you if you join our community. But for those that are part of our community, or hey, you know what? I'm giving part of another community or doing something else with trading, just think about this for a little bit. This is why you have proper risk management. I don't care if you think this thing, gold, is going to shoot to the moon and I am going to load up on my risk and unbelievable lot sizes, etc. There's a chance you're going to get burned and blow your account. And I've been a trader and I've blown my account. And once I recognized that particular trade that I took, I have never blown my account since. I have never adjusted my stop loss more than 2%. And that's why I'm a successful trader. And I help members become successful traders. You have to recognize the resources that you have to manage this. This is so important to the battle, right? Because when people, adjust this, then they think that they can never come out of it, right? And then folks quit. When you join our trading community, there's only two ways that you fail. Don't follow what we lay out, less than 2% on a trade, 25 trade block, submit your journal to one of the leaders, and then once you have proven that you can be a successful trader, then you can go live. But you still have to maintain this part of the game. 2%, 1%, right? I never trade more than 2%. In fact, many members of my part of the team, I always preach like 1%, right? The slow way is the fast way. It always is. So if you want to get one thing out of this video today, it is recognize this, the work you have to do when you let your emotions get away from you, even on one trade. You can win 7, 8 trades in a row, and if you come upon a losing trade and you move this stop loss and you have this kind of loss, you do not need to be a math major to figure this out as to how much work you have to do to get it back. Okay? So remember that. Remember that. It is so important. And so many people fail at that part of the equation that I'm here to tell you. Stop it. Okay? Don't do it. Take the loss, move to the next trade. And that's the part of it, right? I'm a coach. I played baseball. My children both played sports. You want to win. You want to win every game. You want to win every trade. But the best traders know when that trade is not going in the right direction, let it hit your stop loss. Okay? Don't move it. Don't play with it, because you can see on the chart that I just showed you how much work you have to do to get it back. Okay? That's it for today. If you like, thumbs up. Don't like, thumbs down. Subscribe, please, like, love, all that other good stuff. You can reach me on Facebook. If you're interested in joining our community, I can place you in a group you can learn more information about us, the Impulse Scanner. I have other videos in the Impulse Scanner that you can check it out, and then reach me and we'll get you plugged in. Okay? Have a great day, everybody.